Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecasts for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell, I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. So, XRP vs SEC. SEC's motion to strike fair notice defense denied. Ripple has notched another victory in the XRP vs SEC case. Presiding Judge Analisa Torres has denied the SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. Ripple can now argue it did not have fair notice. The motion filed by the SEC sought to restrain Ripple from arguing that the commission failed to warn it of wrongdoing. The SEC argued that the securities laws are clear on what constitutes a sale of unregistered securities. In her ruling, Judge Torres stated that the SEC had failed to meet the burden of proving the fine points of its case. This included the SEC's failure to demonstrate that there is no question of fact in law that would allow the defense to succeed, and also that the plaintiff would be prejudiced by the inclusion of the fair notice defense. She also acknowledged Ripple's pleading in the matter, noting that the fintech company filed its defense in a timely fashion. Ripple's latest huge win against the SEC reignites super bullish XRP sentiments. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse applauds the court ruling denying SEC's motion to strike fair notice defense. Stuart Alderodi, Ripple's general counsel, also commented that the ruling will check the SEC's crypto tactics. XRP has seen an uptick in bullish sentiments on the back of the favorable ruling. Ripple executives and the XRP community are in celebratory mode over a favorable ruling made on Friday in the case with the SEC. Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, called the ruling a huge win, adding that the case is bound to get more attention now. How the ruling plays in favor of Ripple. Presiding Judge Analisa Torres ruled that the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense was denied. Judge Torres stated that the SEC had failed to persuade it on the point by failing to cite relevant case laws. The ruling also explained that the SEC had failed to prove that it would suffer undue prejudice from the continuation of Ripple's fair notice defense. Commenting on the turn of events, Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderodi, said that the order was a significant one. This is because it seriously questions if the SEC provided Ripple with fair notice that sales of XRP would be breaking securities laws. Alderodi adds that it is good to see the judge reject the SEC's attempt to stop his principal from pursuing its fair notice defense. Good to see the judge rejecting the SEC's attempt to prevent Ripple from pursuing its fair notice defense. It's even more imperative that the sun sets on the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach, Alderodi said. Garlinghouse's plotted to the ruling was made in response to Alderodi's analysis. The Ripple CEO also noted that it would have been great for the second key ruling made on the day to have gone in Ripple's vogue. However, he remains confident that the entire case will be dismissed. The second ruling made on the day denied a motion filed by Garlinghouse and Chris Larson to have charges against them dismissed. Notably, both motions were filed at about the same period in April last year. The win has turned sentiments in the XRP market. Many XRP proponents have cheered the ruling, citing enormous growth expected of XRP once the case ultimately ends in Ripple's favor. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, who is a regular presence in the XRP community, remarked that the ruling is one of the outcomes he has been waiting for. He noted that the ruling has given the SEC something to lose in the case. Following the ruling, XRP surged to reach a one-month local high price of 85 cents per data from CryptoRank. XRP is currently trading at 79 cents, up 5.98% in the last 48 hours. The San Francisco-based payments company has long argued that the SEC didn't give adequate notice of considering XRP to be a security. In fact, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO at Ripple, had reiterated the same in a 19 February tweet. Nonetheless, sensing a possible victory, defendant had clamped down on the SEC with different significant strikes. Checkmate. Ripple Labs, defendant, struck yet again as the judge. Analisa Torres denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. James K. Filan, a famed attorney who closely follows the lawsuit updates, tweeted this on 12 March. Ripple has argued in his favor about the regulator's failed move to inform XRP's public sale beforehand. The SEC also plausibly shown that the individual defendants made domestic offers of the token. Interestingly, on 12 March, the court rejected the claim stating that XRP's sales were predominantly foreign. The court shall not conclude that Ripple's affirmative defense is invalid at this stage of the case. Further, the judge argued that the agency wouldn't suffer undue prejudice as a result of the continuation of the defense. As a result of these recent developments, native token, XRP has surged by more than 15% at press time, thus, rejoicing this victorious sentiment. At press time, it was trading at the 81 cents mark as per market cap. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.